Enough is enough. No more killing.
Enough is enough. Stop the violence.
Enough is enough. Let's be united.
Enough is enough, guys. Let's do better for ourselves.
Enough is enough. Look after one another.
Enough is enough. We are sick of dying.
Enough is enough. Let's just come together, protect one another, and do what we need to do and why we're here in the beginning.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Let's stop tribalism.
Enough is enough. It's time to cease corruption and render services to the public.
Enough is enough. We need to develop our country.
Enough is enough. We need peace in our country.
Enough is enough, and change is mandatory.
Enough is enough. Let's believe in ourselves.
Enough is enough. Together as one nation. Kulena Wahid.